Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can disable the comments of your post on Instagram. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to disable the comments on your Instagram post, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Instagram. And after opening your Instagram, next, I want you to go to your profile at the bottom right corner. And here on your profile, you will now be able to see all your posts on Instagram, so just find the one for which you want to disable the comments. So let's say that this is the post for which you want to disable the comments, for example. So to do that, just tap the post. And after tapping it, you will then be able to see the three dots icon right here. Just go and tap it. And after that, you will now be able to see the turn off comments option right here. So just tap it to completely disable the comments. And then that's it guys, it's done. Congratulations, the comments will now be disabled for this post. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.